What's good, YouTube? It's your favorite Slim Shady here with another video. As you read from the title, you know what's about to go down. But first, if you are new to the channel, just see this beautiful face. My name is Rafaya, the owner of this channel where there is nothing but pure good vibes. If you want some good vibes in your life, I suggest that you click that subscribe button, then turn your post notification on to join the family. Without further ado, let's get into the video. First things first, let me just say you may have seen me in these clothing, whether on my Instagram or in person, being that I've had them for like a really long time now. I'm just doing this clothing all for my channel, okay? Also, I'm going to be leaving the links down below for the Instagram pages that I bought the specific clothing item from, so you don't have to worry if you did not hear what I say or whatever. You could just click the links down below in my description box and it will take you straight to the specific Instagram pages. The first outfit I have is this maxi dress. I bought this dress from the Instagram store Things to Have. This dress screams chic. This dress is sexy and classy at the same time, and if you know me, that is my style. Also, the dress material was just superb. I really love this dress. This second outfit that I have is this lavender one shoulder fur dress, and I bought this dress from the Instagram store Closet One Fashion. Guys, come on now, the dress is lavender. I could not say a bad thing about this dress even if I wanted to. I love this dress. Pure love for this dress. The third outfit that I have is this jeans set, and I bought this set from the Instagram store Patani House Boutique. The material of this set is very much high quality. I really love it. Also, if you know me, you know that I'm a sucker for sets, simply because with sets you can mix and match or you can just grab and go, and this was a very good buy for me. The fourth outfit I have is this Dinosaur Print Set, and I bought this set from this Instagram store Collection RG. I really love this set. The material is really nice as well. Also, I mean, it is a set. What is there not to love about it?
The fifth outfit that I have is this red cheetah print set. I bought this set from the Instagram store Peak Attires. Again, this is a love for me because it is a set. Listen, a set should be a girl's best friend simply because if you buy a set, you're getting your money's worth because a set is basically 3 outfits in one, sis. Trust me. Also, the top of this set is really a blouse, but what I did was pull the front up a bit to create this off the shoulder vibe look, and the excess material at the back I tucked it under. The sixth outfit I have is this mustard dress. I bought this dress from the Instagram store Skylar JA. I really like this dress, especially the knitting vibe at the front and the tie in the back. Also, the material is really good. The seventh piece that I have is this butterfly tube top. I bought this from the Instagram store temptation_876. I really like the butterfly effect of this top. It is giving me pretty much aesthetic vibe. Also, the material was pretty nice. The last piece that I have is this black skirt with the shoulder ties. I bought this skirt from the Instagram store temptation_876 as well. It is a really cool skirt. I can pair it with just about any of my crop tops that I have. Also, the material is not bad. That is it from me in today's video, guys. If you haven't already, please remember to subscribe to my channel and turn your post notification on. Also, like this video and leave some positive feedbacks. To stay connected, you can follow me on all socials at AYAFARRR. Until next time, walk good. Love you guys. Peace.